Oh, what is up, you guys? So, as I said in yesterday's vlog, I've had some trouble with my computer. Can't get this thing in there. Oh well. So that's why the uploads have been so odd lately. There will be like a day in between when I get them out. I apologize for that. It is Monday night. I think it's 8:30. I've just started recording like a couple hours ago. I was at work all day, and then I came home, and I have been working on the sword and these knives ever since. I am trying to knock these out. I've got till December 3rd to get the sword done. Oh my gosh, that is coming up quickly. And then Christmas time for the knives. So it's getting on us fast, you guys. Fudge muffin. Sweet Moses. Oh my gosh, it's cold down here. Like, I'm in the garage and I keep this door open because I like having the door open. I like having the breeze and everything. But tonight, that's kind of cold. Oh my goodness. So, we are going to do some hand sanding now. To do that, let's go. Oh gosh, this thing is warm. So it's nice to hold in my hands. Because my hands are freezing. I have no idea where to put my good sandpaper at. You look like a good piece. Oh gosh, so we're trying to get this right now up to 220 currently. I just hit it with 150, so I'm gonna take it up from there. The reason, by the way, that I'm wearing latex gloves is it's supposed to help with this, that right over here. Creates a lot of static shock when it runs and you've got your hands on it. So anytime I touch the metal, it's a very nasty shock. So I wear the gloves and it does help cut it down a little bit. If I had some slightly thicker ones, it would cut it down pretty much all the way. Or if I were just to wear my regular gloves like a normal human being. But I'm not. I'm crazy. Slightly psychotic. Where is my good sandpaper? I had like a thing of it out earlier. I'm gonna go get some more and then I'll be right back. So I like to fold off fudge muffin. There's a train, you guys. All right, you guys, the train's gone. Let's get in nice and close now. Nope, too close. That was too close. Let's get away. Let's get further away from each other. That seems about right. Sorry, I keep sniffling. It's cold down here, so my nose is running. Headphones are getting caught. I'm gonna hook those up into that. There we go. So I'm in the process of sanding this thing down right now. I'm currently at a 220. I like to fold the 220 up. I like to fold all my grits up. It just gives you a better grip on them. And this is extremely boring. I know, I'm sorry. This is just gonna make for fascinating footage for me to watch later. So it's basically you just sit here and you see it. Really, you wanna use one long. This isn't working. I haven't figured out a good way to hold this yet. Oh, cramp, cramp, cramp. Really, no, oh my goodness. I keep cramping. But you wanna do this in one long motion. You wanna create one long push all the way across like that. Instead of like this, you wanna really do long strokes and then reset. Long strokes and then reset. Oh my goodness, my life is difficult, you guys. What's up, everybody? So I've moved locations again. I'm downstairs in the basement. Right over there's where we filmed Time for a Meeting. Yeah, my chair's gone now. They took my chair back. It was my aunt's. I'm trying to adjust my camera. Oh goodness, I'm tired. Wasn't a whole lot going on today, you guys. Had to work all day, so I was busy doing that, and it was actually pretty busy for a Monday, so I didn't really have time to do much videoing. But I got some good work done on the sword, which is really nice. I'm happy with where that's going right now. I'm going into my dad's work tomorrow to get some more work done, and then after we get that done, it'll just be finished work. So it'll just be putting it together and putting the finishing touches on it. Gotta fix my glasses. Oh, I'm gonna get editing, you guys. So, give it a like, you guys. Leave a comment, subscribe, and give it a share if you feel like it. That was a weird voice. I'm fond of all your faces. I don't even know what that one was. But I am fond of your faces. I will see you guys tomorrow. Let's hope this video goes out on time.